Hi guys, welcome back to the Insanity Carnival. Today we're going to be making some fire starters. I find when I get to the cottage, when it's super cold, minus 15 or below, putting the paper in the kindling with the cold wood doesn't seem to start the fire well. So this way, I make a couple of these cups, throw them in the wood stove, light them up, and away they go. And I can walk away and get other things done. I have an old piece of cedar here from a furniture project I was working on that's done. So I'm basically going to use these items here to create the egg cups. First thing you got to do is shave it down. I just got an old knife here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shave off a bunch of strips. Big strips, small strips. The next thing we're going to need for this project is some wax. Here's an old beat up candle from wherever. Just going to shave off some chunks of it, and then we'll melt it and pour it over the cedar shavings. Now, take all our cedar shavings that we've crumpled up, crumple them into the egg cups. Doesn't matter, big or small, it'll work. All right, the next step here is to melt the wax. So we got all of our wax shavings, and I got a little tin can here, corn or something like that. We're gonna fill it up, and we got our little propane chimenea situation here. We're gonna heat it up on that. Let's try it. I added some more in. Bubbling nice. Getting close. It's only been on there for a couple minutes. Everything's all melted. Now, move it from the heat. I'm just going to pour it in the cups. Don't need a ton. The more wax, the longer they'll burn. Okay, they're all dried up. Wax is hard. Shake out the extra. Now, basically, just cut them. There you go, little fire starter. All you do, you just light the cardboard, it cooks, burns. It should burn for about 10 minutes. We'll do a burn test when we get up to the cottage and test them out, but pretty much that's it. Simple. There you go. Test it. burning for about 5 minutes. It's outside now on the pan. It's cold out, -6, but there's no wind. Let's see if I can blow it out. Yeah, that's serious. Doesn't want to go.
So if it's like snowing or even raining, I feel like it would still...
There's a lot of snow on there. See that? Well, what I'm gonna do now, hit it with water, hit it with snow. She kept burning. Finally out. Snow and water caught up to it. So now I'm gonna let this dry, try lighting it again and see if it will work a second time after being doused out and saturated in water. Give it a try. Alright, this thing's been sitting in the garage for about a week since we doused it in snow and water to put it out. Looks dry. Seems to be going. Back to full power after being doused in water and snow and put out. Let it dry. Just here in the garage. Boom. Back to normal. If you thought this video was helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for joining the Insanity Carnival.